Hey guys, you're not going to believe what has happened to me. If you've seen part one of this countertop pour, I stopped right in here and I done a part two. Well, I didn't get no footage of it doing the other half. None. My daggum camera did not record any of it. Nice edge too. Now this surface is not going to be perfectly smooth because it's got all these additives in it. But tomorrow when I come back and do my clear coat, it'll be as slick as glass. Pretty slick now. I can see a few ripples in it, but that clear coat tomorrow will make it as smooth as glass. There's that glitter. You can see the glitter. That's what my buddy's wife wanted. Yeah, she wanted that glitter. She's got it. You guys get any value out of these videos, please drop me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you ain't already. Thanks for watching.